Hey guys, it's John back from Ferguson RV World in St. Thomas, Ontario. And today we're going to look at this Freedom Express 298 FDS. Just walking on the outside of this thing, quick look, you can see all the storage compartments on this thing. Front pass-through storage compartment there. Nice solid steps too. We'll come back to this. We'll come back to the outdoor kitchen. I just want to show you the storage. This is the back of the trailer. You got 3 storage cubby holes to get access to this compartment. But look at all of the storage there. Tons. You'll probably never fill it up. Freedom Express's back ladder. I wanted to show you guys this. You can see right here that plate with the holes in it there. You got one on either side of the frame. That's set up for the Lippert hitch, so you can have a bike rack mounted on the back of the trailer without much hassle. Here's our outdoor kitchen. We've got our griddle, a table, and our fridge. Now remember, this fridge here is only going to run when you're plugged into shore power. It's not a 12-volt fridge. So keep that in mind when you're booking your campsites. I'll show you here. In this compartment, you see the box there strapped up to the top. That's going to be a second plastic resin table that you guys can set out here for your outdoor kitchen. All right, here's Michelle. Let's check this out. Just gonna start up at the front here. This is the front of the trailer, guys. Usually your bed's gonna be up here, but I like the change. I like the U-shaped dinette up front here. Storage underneath the dinette, all across the top. Now this table will swing to 2 different height positions. The position it's in now, and then it'll set down into a lower position to make your dinette into a bed, or you can set it up in front of the theater seats. Beautiful theater seats here. Let's pop around. So this guy has, I can't remember the exact cubic foot of countertop, but probably the most I've ever seen. 3-burner stove with the oven underneath. 2 power towers. So these pop up from the countertop here. It's going to give you 2 plugs. I'll zoom in on this one. It's going to give you 2 plugs and 2 USBs. Regular USB and then USB-C. Large stainless steel sink with their convertible sink covers there. Freedom Express's utensil drawer. And tons of storage. Tons of storage. Look at this. Look at all this. Spot for your garbage pail. How smart is that? As Michelle's opening these, you can see the box she just put on the counter there. That's a TST tire pressure monitoring system. So that comes with our Freedom Expresses. It's going to not only tell you what the tire pressure is on the trailer, but it'll also tell you the heat, what's going on with the tires, and hopefully give you an idea as to what's happening before you have a blowout. Huge TV too, massive television, and it is right across from the theater seats here. More storage up here, and look, they even added another shelf. Usually this is just one big cavity, but they've added a second shelf. More storage here right beside the fridge. Look at that. She even knows how to use the removable shelves. Well done. Let's see the fridge here. This is a 12-volt refrigerator. And this has a double swing door. So if you don't know what that means, Michelle's going to show you. Boom. You can grab your beer from either side of the trailer now. Let's pop into the bathroom here. It's what we call a walk-through bathroom. We're going to have about 8 feet of width in this bathroom. But we're going to have tons of storage. Look at all this. Once again, removable shelves. You got a washer dryer hookup and then more storage below. Then if I turn here, we've got more storage here. So if you guys want a trailer based off of storage, I think this would be the one. We'll flip back here. We've got the porcelain knock there on the toilet, so a nice residential style toilet. Beautiful glass shower stall. Vanity here. And when we walk through, we get into our bedroom here. Once again, more storage. 2 drawers, 2 large cabinets, and then I'll sneak in behind here, and that is on both sides of the bed, mind you. But I'll sneak in behind, and you can see we've got cubbies back there for your phone, CPAP machine, whatever you want to load up there close to the bed, maybe a cup of water at night. Michelle's going to lift the bed up here. More storage here, and then they do drawers on the outside of the bed, and you'll have the same drawer on this side of the bed, so you're not flipping somebody out early in the morning just to get your socks and underwear. Well, guys, this was a walkthrough on this beautiful Freedom Express. If you think this is the floor plan for you or would like to explore more, give us a call, send us a text. You can reach us at 519-631-1092. We're in St. Thomas, Ontario. Can't wait to see you.